Northwest Adventurer. And today's episode is hands down best crab cakes ever made. This short video is going to show you how I catch the crabs, I cook the crabs by steaming them, and how to make crab cakes from beginning to end until it hits my plate. So hang in, smash the like button, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you. This one don't play either. Beautiful. Yep. Dungeness from Willapa Bay. Okay, so these Dungeness crabs right now are kind of a brownish, greenish, little bit of orange, purplish colors, kind of a rainbow of flavors. But as they steam, they're going to turn bright orange. They look pretty amazing. All right, so I'll show you as we progress. All right, 15 minutes in, this is what they're looking like. We're still going to give it about 10 more minutes. There's my whiny pug over there wanting more food. And 10 minutes later. All right, this is what you want to see. So now that you've seen that, let's cook. Go beat 2 eggs real quick. Next, you'll want to add 3 tablespoons of mayo and make sure you whip it real good. Now that you've whipped it real good, grab the cutting board and let's chop up some cilantro. I'm planning on making about 1.5 dozen crab cakes, so you don't want to add too much of stuff like this, all right? But make sure you add just enough for your own taste. So now that the cilantro's in the bowl, make sure you mix it up, and mix it up real good, all right? Anytime I see an onion, I think of Shrek. Now that you've chopped the onions, mix them in. So I'm going with the yellow pepper. And why yellow? Well, I like the sweetness to it. Once the peppers are mixed in, it's time to add some crackers of your choice. You could either use these types, or you could use the saltines. Most of the time I use the saltines, but these were in the cupboard, so let's go with these crackers. I'm sure there's a fancy device out there that could probably grind these crackers up a lot quicker than I do. But anyways, add them to the mix, and once again, mix it real good. Most of the crab recipes that I've ever seen, they all use the same seasoning. So when I make them, I go with the Goya adobo. Yum. So what we have here on the left side is called jumbo lump, and on the right side, it's the claws. I prefer the whiter meat, but the brown meat has a little more of a crabby taste to it, if you know what I mean. I'm actually adding about 2 cups of jumbo lump, and with all that lump, I'm going to need to add some more crackers to the bunch. Need 2 hands to mix this stuff. So I didn't want to bore you by showing you how I made the actual crab cakes by just kind of rolling them up like a hamburger patty. But you get it. It's pretty simplistic. Once I rolled them up, I put them in the fridge and let them chill for about an hour or 2. And then I added them to some oil and fried them on up. I'm sure you could put these in the oven and bake them just as well. I might have to try that next time. But right now, I'm going to try these. Honestly, when you're eating crab cakes, you want to savor and flavor the crabs, not all the extra stuff. So yeah, don't even worry about buying any sauce for this. Just eat them as is.
Probably could use a knife, but I'm good. Oh yeah, definitely a hit, in my opinion.
Smash the like button. And tune in and subscribe to the Northwest Adventurer. So if you have any tips and tricks on how to make the best crab cakes ever, please write them in the comments. Thank you.